Well, I made it. It was quite a ride to get up here, but we are at the trailhead to Fire Lookout. It says 1 mile up there. Thought it was a lot further. But yeah, there should be a lookout tower and everything up there. But it was crazy road. I mean, I was pretty confident in the 4Runner. I definitely wouldn't do it in a two-wheel drive or a low clearance vehicle. There were two creeks. One of them was not super deep, but deeper. It was quite a drive. I'll try to film some on the way back down, but I'm gonna head up now and then check out Lookout Tower. Actually, Black Mountain Fire Lookout. Well, I'm off. That sign says 1 mile, but All Trail said 3.5. Something like that. I'll have to look at it again. I'm up. It's going to be all up, so I'm not going to talk much during it. It's interesting. They let ATVs come up this road, just no cars. ATVs and motorcycles are allowed. So I guess a lot of people would be happy to just whiz on up there to get to the top of a mountain. Oh well. So it's gonna be all ATV trail, so it should be pretty easy. A lot of switchbacks, all up. I believe it's at 1,500 feet. The distance is shorter too. I'll have to look at it, but I am off. The weather looks like it's gonna be okay. It's gonna be 40 minutes, 30 minutes up. But it was really cloudy earlier, but it seems to have cleared up, so I think I can get some good views. And hopefully some of this hike is out of the trees so I can fly the drone around a little bit to have it follow me walking around. I haven't done that yet on a real hike, so that'd be fun. And I'll talk to you later. Before we head up the last little bit, let's check out this thing. I believe it's a pit toilet for the people that work at the lookout tower. Pretty sure. Where's the door? It's a wooden structure with no doors. Cool. From the toilet, there's nice care, and check out these steps. A lot of rocks, lots of care. Let us enjoy. Nice, very stable, long with higher sides. Very nice, very nice. Valley below, sorta. Keep going. It looks like a lot of rock scrambling to get up there. There's a very nice trail though. Very nice. Every once in a while you just got to stop and look around below you and enjoy. Okay. Wow, look how nice these steps are. Look how nice the trail is. I guess the lookout tower people have to use it pretty often to go down, use the restroom. I wonder if they're here during the winter months at all. I wonder what months they're here. It's not a high likelihood of fires during the winter months. There's the rock wall that was in front of us earlier, and the toilet. It's amazing. Amazing views. It's starting to get a little windy here, so I might put on my jacket so I can put on the hood so I don't lose the hat. But this trail, super nice. It's not like a walking trail. You really have to be careful where you're looking, but it's very easy to follow. We are so high up. If there was thunder, I would sit here in the rocks right now. Not go to Lookout Tower. Although the Lookout Tower has oops, I gotta concentrate here. Lookout Tower should have lightning rods. So this is the top of Black Mountain Lookout Tower, and just went up there and flew the drone around for a little bit. 9,500 feet, and it's absolutely beautiful except for above the clouds. So some of the views aren't visible. It's chained off, so I'm not going to go in there. But yeah, I was standing next to this. I probably shouldn't stand next to it too much if it gets cloudier, you know, lightning rod and all. But look at that, there's mountains in the background there. There's snow on it. It looks like they're lower than us. But we are on the south side of the mountain though. The last little bit was wonderful. Nice little trail. Just views on both sides, just drop-offs. Man, amazing. Some people wonder if they could work out or if they could work here by themselves, that they might be too lonely or too bored. If I had a solar panel, some TV shows downloaded, maybe some movies, I could stay up here for quite a while and just relax. I do like to relax. Gosh, and it's just the views. Awesome. Okay, I've been up here a little while. I have my hood on, zipped up, because I'm afraid my hat's gonna fly off. It is super windy. It's gotten a lot windier since I've been up here. I have 4G service up here for the first time in like 6 days, so it's nice. I've been checking some messages, sending some messages to Tina and whatnot, but it's gotten so windy. I was gonna use a drone to record myself as I kind of climb down, because it's a really nice scenic climb, but it's so gusty that I'm not gonna even try. I'm just gonna try to focus on hiking down because a lot of it's kind of steep, a lot of rock scrambling, and it's kind of on a ridge sort of. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna head down before this wind gets much worse, and I will talk to you later. It's beautiful up here. It's worth coming up here. If you have a four-wheel drive, it's only a mile from the trailhead, so it's not too bad, although it's all up. But the views are worth it easily. Even if you park further down and it's like 3.5 miles up, easily worth it. So come on up here. I'll talk to you later. Bye. So windy. So in the 1920s and 30s, the Forest Service built these, I guess the Civilian Conservation Corps. There are several in the Bighorn Mountains, and this is one of the ones that remain today. And these are only manned during high fire risk seasons. And it's a summer home for an individual or couple who kept watch and reported signs of fire. And you could watch lightning storms. I would totally do this up here. If they gave me a place to park my car and said, hey, as long as it's not like 2 months, I wonder if we could rotate 2 weeks. Yeah, if they had crews for 2 weeks at a time, I would totally just leave my car up there and bring up a bunch of food for 2 weeks and just hang out. Maybe even a month. I mean, there's cell service up there. I could catch up on videos I have to edit, and some of the stock videos I gotta edit, and then just upload away. It's pretty sweet. And one of my things that I really want to do is I want to catch lightning in photography or videos, and I don't know any good spots where I can go to actually do that safely, and that would be perfectly safe, so that'd be awesome. All right, I'm back to my car. It's end of the hike. I'm gonna try to figure out whether I'm gonna stay here, or I saw some campsites at the end of this road, but it was pretty close to the main roads. There's gonna be a lot of traffic there. Here there's only gonna be some traffic, people going up. ATV actually passed me on the way down, so they'll be coming down, but there's not gonna be too much traffic. Just the difficult part is finding a level enough spot to be able to park and sleep. So I'll try to figure something out, but I think I may stay here. Well, hope you enjoyed this video. Hope the drone footage came out well. I would have shown it earlier. I wish I could have flown it more, but it was so windy. I'm tempted to just launch it straight up from here to see if we could see the mountain. Looking up, the clouds are so fast that I don't want to risk it. I have insurance on the drone, but only if it's damaged. If you lose it, you're out. So I would rather be safe. All right, you have a good night. Thanks for watching. Bye.